Hey guys, welcome back. What I have here is the all-new WeCreat Vision Pro 45 watt laser engraver cutter. It can cut really thick material in a single pass. It's pretty impressive. It has the all-new BeamFocus technology where it has the equivalent cutting power of a 60 watt laser, but with only 45 watts. That is impressive. With that being said, in this video, we're gonna see what we can make with this laser. So I think we'll do is we're gonna make some of the projects that they have here on the WeCreat Make It software. And it's a pretty incredible program. I'm actually really enjoying it. There is a whole bunch of free projects that you can do. And there's a bunch of paid ones too. And they're not very expensive, only around $2 each, which is kind of comparable to what you would find on like Etsy or something like that. So there's a lot of cool projects here that we can do, but one that's catching my eye, and it's free, is this multi-layered undersea world. It looks pretty cool. And it just uses 3mm plywood, which I have lots of. So I'm just gonna go here and say, make it. And it looks like we're going to be using a few different sheets. I think 3 sheets here. Awesome. Now once you've sent the file from the computer to the machine, all you have to do is hit the button. Haha, that's pretty cool. Nice. Let's see what else we can make. That's a cute little doggy for keeping your pens and pencils, maybe some business cards. Yeah. This is just a small example of all the stuff that you can make. Once you get into it, really, the possibilities are endless. So if you want to learn more about the WeCreat Vision Pro or purchase one, there is a link in the description. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I'd like to thank you for watching, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.